In Revit, views are different ways to see and work with your project model. The most common types of views are plan views, sections, and elevations. A plan view shows your building from above, like a floor plan. You can see walls, doors, windows, and other elements that fall within a specific height range. A section view cuts through your model to show what's inside. It helps you understand structural details and internal connections between elements. An elevation view shows the exterior or interior faces of your building, front, back, or sides. It's useful to check alignments, heights, and material finishes. The view range controls what part of your model is visible in a plan view. It defines the top, cut plane, and bottom levels, so you only see elements between these heights. Adjusting the view range helps you control what appears in your drawing, making it more accurate and clean. Now you understand how plan views, sections, and elevations work together, and how the view range defines what you see in each view.